move to the next topic. The next topic we have for today's session is yoga for stress management. As we have already discussed, the main leading hormone that increases stress in our body is cortisol. To maintain the level of cortisol, we need to little bit of more that type of asanas which increase the blood circulation towards our upper body, towards our nervous system, to relax our sympathetic nervous system. Right? So we'll begin with the Balasana, which will help to increase the blood circulation towards our minds. For that, just be seated into the Vajrasana. From here, inhale. With exhalation, come to the front and relax in Balasana. Relax here completely. With a deep inhale, deep exhale. Now just open up your knees and come in deep into the Shashankasana stretch. Now from here, just come up and lie down on your spine for the next posture. The next we have is Vipreet Kadmiyasana. For the Vipreet Kadmi, first of all, we'll bring the legs at the 90 degree. With the help of our hands, we'll just lift up the hips and we'll hold it here at this level. You have to bring your thumbs at your eye level. Hold. Slowly come down and relax your legs. From here, come into the Shavasana position with the body scanning. Relax your legs. We'll do it for the 2 minutes. From there, you have to loosen up your whole body. Relax your ankles. Relax your knees, relax your hips and associated muscles. Relax completely. Relax your belly region. Relax your abdomen. Completely relax your chest. Relax your shoulders. Relax your elbows. Scan your whole body, the golden light from your head, toe, and toe to head. Feel the deep relaxation in each and every body part. From here, make some movement in your hands, in your legs, and come to the right side of your body. From here, slowly get up. We'll see the pranayam for stress management. The pranayam that is very useful for the stress management is Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. And the Nadi Shodhan Pranayam helps by balancing the hemisphere, that is your right hemisphere and left hemisphere of your brain, that is your sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. We'll see how to practice it. We'll adopt Dhyan Mudra from the left hand, and with the right hand we'll close the nostril with the thumb. Inhale with the left side. Close the left nostril and exhale with the right. Again inhale with the right. Exhale with the left. This is complete one now. But you have to inhale that subtle that you yourself will be not able to hear the sound of an inhalation and exhalation. Let's begin with the at least 5 rounds of it. Start. Inhale with the left side. Exhale with the right. Inhale with the right side. Exhale with the left. Keep doing it.